මෙම වැඩසටහන ඔබ වෙත ගෙනෙන්නේ
eSoft Metro Campus නව්‍ය දැනුමෙන් ඔබේ අනාගතය හැඩගන්වයි.
Good evening and welcome to the national level quiz competition based on information technology, IT Mastermind 2014. IT Mastermind 2014 is brought to you by the Computer Society of Sri Lanka, strategically partnered by eSoft Metro Campus with the media partner ITN. We have 6 contestants tonight and only 2 will progress to the secondary rounds. Let's meet our contestants. Contestant number 1, Madhush Dilshan from Telijavila Central College, Matara. Contestant number 2, Manura Yasaswin, Sri Sumangala College, Panadura. Contestant number 3, Anuka Gitmal, Mahinda College, Gaul. Contestant number 4, Sulochana Disanayaka, Ratnavali Balika Vidyalaya, Gampaha. Contestant number 5, Ramesh Pragati, St. Benedict's College, Colombo. Contestant number 6, Prasad De Silva, Ananda College, Colombo. Let's now meet our judges tonight. Dr. Dayan Rajapaksha, Managing Director, eSoft Group of Companies, Colombo. Mr. Krishanta Silva, Council Member, Computer Society of Sri Lanka. And as always, our quizmaster, the very experienced, Mr. Faisal Bongzo.
Thank you once again for those lovely words. A very good evening and a warm welcome. We are on the 8th preliminary round program of IT Mastermind 2014. And once again today, 6 contestants representing schools from all over Sri Lanka are taking part. They will be facing 4 rounds of competition where the winner and the runner-up will move on to the secondary rounds. Now each round will be judged and points will be allocated and added. And of course, we've got to remember that the decision of the judges will be final. Well, without further ado, let's move on to round 1. Let me tell you that in round 1, we will be posing a multiple choice question to each of you and you will earn 10 points for a correct answer. Of course, the other contestants can also register their answers via their terminals and you can earn 3 points for each correct answer. But you've got to keep in mind that you lose 2 points for each incorrect answer. So let's move on to our quiz and of course round 1, and this is your question. Contestant number 1, Madhush. What is the technology used in 3rd generation computers? Is it vacuum tubes? Is it transistors? Is it integrated circuits? Or is it VLSI, very large scale integrated circuits?
Answer C, integrated circuit.
Yes, the answer is correct. Here's your question now, contestant number 2, Manura. What is the communication technology that allows both parties to communicate at the same time? Is it simplex communication? Is it full duplex communication? Is it multiplex communication? Or is it half duplex communication?
Full duplex communication.
That is B?
Yes.
Yes, the answer is correct. Here's your question now, contestant number 3, that's Anuka. Which person was the first to offer a definition of the term computer viruses? Was it Smith? Was it Cohen? Was it Norton? Or was it McAfee?
Answer C.
No, the answer is incorrect. The answer is B, Cohen. Here's your question now, contestant number 4, that's Sulochana. Which of the following servers converts the web address into an IP address? Is it web server? Is it DNS server? Is it FTP server? Or is it DHCP server?
B, DNS server.
Yes, the answer is correct. Here's your question now, contestant number 5, Ramesh. Which of the following devices sends data packets only to the specific addressed device? Is it hub? Is it switch? Is it repeater? Or is it modem?
Answer B, switch.
Yes, the answer is correct. And here's the final question in round 1, and it's for our final contestant number 6. MOV extension refers usually to which type of file? Is it image file? Is it animation or movie file? Is it audio file? Or is it MS Office document?
Answer B.
Yes, the answer is correct. That was answered by Prasad. And with that, we end all questions for round 1. Let's find out who's taken the lead after one round.
Bringing world-class higher education to your doorstep. eSoft Metro Campus. Shaping lives, creating futures.
Bachelor's at 19?
In Sri Lanka? My ambition is to finish my Masters at 21 and become a senior manager when I'm 25. I joined eSoft straight after my O-levels.
Start your IT or business management degree straight after O-levels. eSoft. Shaping lives, creating future.
නිවැරදි IT දැනුම ප්‍රමුඛයාගෙන් පමණයි. eSoft.
At the end of round 1, let's see what the top positions are. Thank you very much. We have a tie for the second position. Contestant number 5, Ramesh Pragati of St. Benedict's College, Colombo with 16 points. And in the second position again, contestant number 1, Madhush Dilshan of Telijola Central College, Matara with 16 points. And leading after round number 1 is contestant number 4, Sulochana Disanayaka of Ratnavali Balika Vidyalaya, Gampa with 19 points. Over to you, Faisal, for round 2.
Well, this is where the competition begins, always after round 1. So here we go with round 2. We'll be posing a question based on an image, and you have to answer individually. You will earn 10 points for a correct answer, and of course the others, you can buzz if you know the answer. And if the first student either does not answer or gives the incorrect answer, the opportunity will go to the contestant who buzzes first. The correct answer will earn you 5 points, but an incorrect answer will make you lose 2 points. So good luck to the 6 of you as we move on to your questions for round 2. And this is your question, contestant number 1. This is the thinnest and lightest laptop computer made by Apple. What is it called? Well, number 5 would like to answer this question.
MacBook Air.
Yes, accepted as an answer. Apple AirBook. Right, we go on to your question now, contestant number 2. Identify the type of computer that is shown on your screen.
Mainframe.
No. Well, number 6 would like to answer this question.
Supercomputer.
Yes, the answer is correct. Here's your question now, contestant number 3. Identify the type of printer that's shown on your screen.
3D printers.
Yes, the answer is correct, 3D printer. Here's your question, contestant number 4. Identify the specific name of the device shown here.
Intel processor.
No. Number 6 would like to answer this question.
It's a laptop.
No, the answer is SSD or solid state drive. This is your question, contestant number 5. What is this type of CPU connector known as?
PDA, pin grid array. Sorry.
I'm waiting for the
LAN
judges.
grid array.
No, not accepted. Number 1 has indicated.
Connector CPU. Connecting CPU.
No, the answer is socket architecture. And this is your question, contestant number 6. What is this type of pin layout on a CPU known as?
Mail type. Mail type.
No. Number 5 is indicated.
PGA.
Yes, the answer is correct. PGA or pin grid array. And with that, we end all the questions for round 2. Let's find out who's taking the lead after round 2.
Bringing world-class higher education to your doorstep. eSoft Metro Campus. Shaping lives, creating futures.
Bachelor's at 19?
In Sri Lanka? My ambition is to finish my masters at 21 and become a senior manager when I'm 25. I joined eSoft straight after my O-levels.
Start your IT or business management degree straight after O-levels. eSoft, shaping lives, creating future.
And this is the question for you to answer. What is Intel's low-cache CPU called? What is Intel's low-cache CPU called? SMS your answer to 0725 547 547 before noon this Thursday. End of round 2, and I now have the score sheet. Let's see how our contestants have fared this time. In third place, we have contestant number 4, Sulochana Disanayaka, Ratnavali Balika Vidyalaya Gampaha with 19 points. And in second place, we have contestant number 3, Anuka Gitmal of Mahinda College Gaul with 22 points. And leading at the end of round 2, we have contestant number 5, Ramesh Pragati of St. Benedict's College Colombo with 26 points. Faiza, I will now take you on to round 3.
Muru, we were right because we have changes in positions after round 2. We are halfway down the program, and of course, round 3 can also see further changes depending on how you answer. So here we go with round 3. Now in round 3, we will be posing an open-ended question and you have to answer individually. You will earn 10 points for a correct answer, and same as round 2, the others can make an attempt by using your buzzer. So let's move on to the questions for round 3. This is your question, contestant number 1. Before the age of torrents, what was the popular architecture or type of platform used for downloading mostly pirated content? Well, none of you seem to know the answer. It's P2P or peer-to-peer. Here's your question, contestant number 2. If Facebook is aimed at general users, which social network is aimed at professionals?
Twitter.
No. Number 5 would answer this question.
LinkedIn.
Yes, the answer is correct, LinkedIn. Here's your question, contestant number 3. With relation to mobile networks, what does GPRS stand for?
General Packet Radio Service.
Yes, the answer is correct. As we continue with questions for round 3 and we move on to you, contestant number 4, and it's your question. With relation to web development, what does ASP stand for?
Active Server Pages.
Yes, the answer is correct. Here's your question now, contestant number 5. With relation to email, what does IMAP stand for? Well, number 4 would like to answer this question.
Internet Message Access Protocol.
Yes, the answer is correct. And the final question in round 3, and it's to our final contestant, contestant number 6. What is the format now used for representing integer numbers in computer?
ASCII.
No.
ANSI. ANSI.
No. You have no more chances of answering that question because we gave you 2 attempts. Number 5.
Unicode.
No, the answer is 2's complement system. Well, with that, we end questions for round 3. Let's find out who's taken the lead after round 3.
உலகத்தரம் வாய்ந்த உயர்கல்வி வாய்ப்புகள் உங்களுக்காக கொண்டு வரப்பட்டுள்ளன. ESOFT Metro Campus, shaping lives, creating futures.
Tell us about yourself.
I'm 19 and just finished my bachelor's in IT.
Bachelor's at 19?
In Sri Lanka?
My ambition is to finish my master's at 21 and become a senior manager when I'm 25. So I skipped my A-levels and joined directly to the degree programs.
That's great.
We didn't have that opportunity.
Start your IT or business management degree straight after O-levels at ESOFT.
And this is the question for you to answer. What is Intel's low-cache CPU called? What is Intel's low-cache CPU called? SMS your answer to 0725 547 547 before noon this Thursday. At the end of round 3, the competition is getting stiffer and the positions are shuffling. In third place, at the end of round 3, we have contestant number 5, Ramesh Pragati from St. Benedict's College, Colombo, with 29 points. In second place, we have contestant number 3, Anuka Gitmal from Mahinda College, Gaur, with 32 points. And leading in this round, contestant number 4, Sulochana Disanayaka Ratnavali Balika Vidyalaya, Gampaha, with 34 points. And for the final round, round 4, I hand over the floor to Faisal.
Thank you very much, Miru. Very true. It's very stiff competition. It's open. Anyone could be a winner. Anybody could be a runner-up, judging by the points that you've scored so far. So this is the decisive round, the final round, round 4. And here we use the same format as round 3. And the contestants will be answering open-ended questions. And the judges will be evaluating your answers. So all the very best to 6 of you. Either of you can be a winner or a runner-up. So here we go with the questions. This is your question. Contestant number 1. Kim.com was famous for creating which website? Well, none of you seem to know the answer. The answer is megaupload.com. Here's your question, contestant number 2. Before chat forums were introduced, the popular method for online sharing was the BBS. What does BBS stand for? Well, once again, none of you seem to know the answer. The answer is Bulletin Board Service. And here's your question, contestant number 3. If you set a trapping or a delaying mechanism for a network intruder, what term could be used to describe it? Well, this is the decisive round and you too cannot answer this question. The answer is honeypot. We move on to your question now. Contestant number 4. With relation to network security, what does TLS stand for? Well, once again, none of you seem to know the answer. The answer is transport layer security. And here's your question, contestant number 5. With relation to web development, what does JSP stand for? Well, once again, contestant number 5 does not know the answer. None of you know the answer. The answer is Java Server Pages. And this is the final question in round 4, and this is for you, our final contestant. What was Google Play down? I'll repeat the question again. What was Google Play known by before its name changed? What was Google Play known by before its name changed? Well, number 5 would like to answer this question.
Android market.
Yes, the answer is correct. And with that, we end all the questions for round 4. Let's find out whether there have been any changes and who has emerged the winner and the runner-up after 4 rounds of question on today's program.
As we now come to the end of the 8th show of the preliminary rounds of IT Mastermind 2014, I now have the score sheet and I will announce the positions in ascending order. In 6th place, we have contestant number 2, Manura Yasaswin from Sri Sumangala College, Panadura. In 5th place, we have Prasad De Silva, contestant number 6 from Ananda College, Colombo. In 4th place, we have contestant number 1, Madhush Dilshan from Telejivila Central College, Matara. In 3rd place, we have contestant number 3, Anuka Gitmal from Mahinda College, Gaul. Interestingly, in this show, we do not have a runner-up, but we have 2 winners sharing identical scores. Before I announce the winners of the show, I would like to call upon Mr. Praveen Mahendran, Manager HND Division, ESOFT Metro Campus, Colombo, and Mr. Ranjit Ganepola, Fellow Member, Computer Society of Sri Lanka. Mr. Mahendran and Mr. Ganepola will hand over the certificates and the cash prizes for the 2 winners tonight. Contestant number 5, Ramesh Pragati, St. Benedict's College, Colombo with 34 points. And contestant number 4, Sulochana Disanayaka, Ratnavali Balika Vidyalaya, Gampaha, again with 34 points. Congratulations, Sulochana and Ramesh, you now qualify to progress to the secondary rounds. That brings us to a close of this edition of IT Mastermind 2014. But do join us again next week, same time, same place, as we continue the quest in search of the next IT Mastermind 2014. Good night.
මෙම වැඩසටහන ඔබ වෙත ගෙනෙන්නේ
ESOFT Metro Campus නව්‍ය දැනුමෙන් ඔබේ අනාගතය හැඩගන්වයි.